Hi everyone, it's Miss Wilmer here, and I'm going to be reading for you Mrs. McNosh and the Great Big Squash. And this is a scholastic book, and they've granted us permission to share with y'all during this time. This book is written by Sarah Weeks and is illustrated by Nadine Bernard Westcott. So Mrs. McNosh and the Great Big Squash. The first day of spring, Miss Nellie McNosh went out to her garden and planted a squash. She pushed the seed in with the tip of her toe, and the minute she did it, it started to grow. At first, it was round and as big as a head. In fact, it looked just like the paperboy Fred. Then it turned yellow and bumpy and fat. It rolled from the garden. It flattened the cat. It knocked over trash cans and ran over toes. It twisted the sprinkler and plugged up the hose. It crashed through the clothesline and smashed through the fence, scaring the pants off of two elderly gents. Poor Nellie was worried. She said, "Oh my gosh, there's got to be some way to slow down this squash." She slapped it and scolded it, pinched it and kicked it, and then she took hold of its stem and she picked it. "Now what do I do?" wondered Mrs. McNosh. "I've got to find something to do with this squash. There isn't a place in the world that it'll fit. It's as big as a house." "Wait," said Nellie. "That's it." And so by the light of a big yellow moon, she scooped and she scraped with a long-handled spoon. And when the sun rose, where was Mrs. McNosh? Curled up, sound asleep. In her big yellow squash. That's pretty fun. Have you ever planted something and then it either grew bigger than you thought, or maybe sometimes it didn't grow at all? Maybe sometime soon we can all get together and plant something. See you soon.